I said, why stop at a beard, Gavin?
The Zuck beard?
Squeaky, squeaky. I got to get the condensation off of my Ray-Ban spectacles.
You're a little steaming up there?
The whole internet was a little steamy.
Yeah.
The whole internet kind of fell for a deep fake of Mark Zuckerberg with the gold chain dangling, which was real, in his initial Llama 3 announcement Instagram video. I said, why stop at a beard, Gavin? Stuff like that. Because I gave Zuck a Mario stash. I put him in some insane clown makeup. I said, what would he look like with some sweet prison ink all over his face?
And then the one that really got me was like what looks like, it looks like he is the like alien brother of Prince William.
That is an app called Photomaker where you give it several source images of someone and then you ask it what you want. And when I played with the settings, I got this weird, almost felt-like mashup of a Prince and Zuck. And then I said, you know what, let's just make some thirst trap MMA photos of Mark Zuckerberg. I gave him the Rogan's tattoo pattern, a nice lobster red body. And then I decided, let's mix it up because the beard was fun to watch in motion. I figured, let's go ahead and slap one of these odd faces on the video. So I took the insane clown makeup photo, Gavin. I used an app called Face Fusion, which lets you load a source video and then swap the face. And Face Fusion went its own direction, got rid of the actual colorful makeup, and just turned Mark into this bizarro alt dimension Zuck that is
All right, big day here. We are releasing the new version of Meta AI, our assistant that you can ask any question across our apps and glasses.
I don't like it. It is a very Rip Curl meets, let's say, chemistry lab in the middle of a
it looks
Zuck.
like John McAfee after he took off. That's what it reminds me of.
It's Meth Zuckerberg. I was trying not to say it, but that's what it is.